Hey everybody, and welcome to SourceFortsTV. Today I'm just going to be going through a very basic tutorial where I will be teaching you, I guess, the basics for building with SourceForts. This tutorial will actually branch out to a lot of other different tutorials where I'll cover more advanced techniques and other things you can use to build. But for right now, we're just going to start with the basics. If you're new to the game, if you want to build, you obviously have to get blocks, and over here we have a block spawner. There's one on every map. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's got a bunch of different little buttons on it. Each one represents a different block. So there you can see, if you walk up to it and hit your use key, which is probably E for most users, it'll just spawn whatever block you're looking at. So it's pretty simple, and that's how you're going to spawn blocks. And I think probably right now you should be seeing a couple other pictures of block spawners on other maps. Right now we're on Skywalk because it's one of the more popular maps. Building is pretty simple. I think I said that, but you have your gravity gun. There is no special rotate or anything like that, so building does rely on how well you can place blocks. But if you use your right click, you can grab a block and then right click will set it back down. Or you can single click, the first click, which is your left click, and it'll shoot the block. And usually you only do that when you're trying to move blocks to somewhere on the map. If you want to freeze blocks, you're going to use the R key, which while you're holding the block you can do it, or if you're looking at a block that's frozen, it'll unfreeze it. So now that we've covered those basics, you probably want to start building a wall that doesn't look like crap. So that's actually going to be in one of the next tutorials. I'll do a basic wall building, and there's a lot of other things you can do, such as bunkers, sniper towers, sky ramps, flag cages, flag drops, even crawl tunnels if you actually wanted to do that for some reason. But for right now, that about covers it for getting starting with building. And go ahead and click on one of the links to the next videos in the series, and you can go ahead and start building your base.